Hello everyone. Welcome to an episode of Cooking with Heather. Today we're going to make sago. In other words, tapioca pudding. We've got our ingredients pre-measured to save some time. And I've got a little recipe here. I actually found this recipe on Family Search under Recipes of the World, and I'm so excited to be able to just share with you. Okay, so now we've got our tapioca. It's been over here. And we need 3 cups of water. Half cup, because I can't find my cup. I'm going to do half cups. Uh-oh. All right. All right, so we've got the tapioca. Just be very gentle with this. All right, now we're just going to wait for it to bubble. Switch it over here because these burners are funny. I've always wanted to do more with Middle Eastern recipes because my father, my late father, he spent time in the Middle East in the 70s working in oil. So I've always wanted to explore Middle Eastern recipes and have a little piece of the Middle East because he didn't really talk about his time over there. And now he's gone, so I don't have that. So I do what I can to research the Middle East and recipes and everything else. I think it's a way to stay close to my father. We weren't really close in life because he didn't like that I had disabilities, but I can be close to him in this way by learning these recipes. And my current father, wonderful man, he loves Middle Eastern food and European foods, and so I want to do this to also be close to him. So that's why I'm making these things. Sago seems very simple, but it's made with a lot of love. All right, we're just going to wait for that to bubble. And now we're going to just put some stevia in and stir it in. Stevia isn't sugar, but I've got endometriosis and my body goes berserk if I put sugars in it. So, like the bad sugars. So I use stevia and other substitutes that don't drive my body crazy. All right, so now it's bubbly. And it's very bubbly. Just give it a good... All right, we're going to stir. We're going to add these cute little saffron threads. Look at that. They're so tiny. Saffron is so small. We're going to make sure we get all the saffron and cardamom. And we're going to put these in the sink so I can clean up later. We're going to rinse our spoon because we got it really dirty. All right, we're just going to stir those in gently. Gently. I'm going to stir this in gently. so it's part of it. There you go. And now we're going to wait to thicken it. We're going to thicken it, and it's going to be great. We're definitely just going to chill out now. We're simmering away. Check it every now and then. And we'll prep our rose water because we need to. Because, you know, this stuff is good for gut health, I've read, and so I get it sometimes. We'll put it in a bowl so I'm not standing here. Just gonna sit and we're gonna enjoy. Oh, it's starting to thicken. I love that. It's starting to thicken and it's gonna look really nice. Sago is a Middle Eastern dish, and it's something I can do to feel close to my fathers. And I'm very grateful that I was able to bring this to you today. And you know, my mom likes Middle Eastern stuff too. We all do. It's just, I haven't made something Middle Eastern in a long time. Like the last time I made something Middle Eastern, it was halva, and it was for my current father for Easter, because halva is expensive in the store and it's a lot cheaper to buy the stuff and make it. And you know, I just enjoy the process of cooking, and people have literally asked me, because I haven't cooked in a while, when are you going to come back? Because they enjoy the show. So I'm back. I missed all of you. And I'm happy that I'm here today showing you another Middle Eastern dish. And it's awesome. Like, I'm going to do more. Now that I'm back, I'm going to do more cooking and inviting people to just join in the journey of making beautiful dishes with me. See, now look. It's thickening right up, and I love that. It's thickening right up, but it's not quite. Need to give it a little bit more time. So, tell me, what do you think I should make in the future? I've got a few recipes, but I'm also open to suggestions. I truly missed being here and entertaining all of you with Cooking with Heather. But I'm back now, and I'm going to do more. So let's see how we're doing. Okay, a little bit more. It's not quite, well, yeah, it is. It's there. All right. Remove from the heat. We're going to add the rose water now. Just a little bit, like a teaspoon. Just going to give it a little stir. Well, you can see the stir if you like. I'm just going to give it a little stir. Yeah, there we go. Now it's nice and golden. Look at how golden it is. Kind of looks like risotto. All right. Now this is my favorite, one of my favorite parts. We're going to put it in a bowl. And I'm going to scrape the edges. So that we get all of it. And there we go. All right, so now what we're going to do is chill it in the fridge. I'm going to be back when it's ready to be done. And we're going to have a taste, just a little taste. And the episode's going to be done. See you soon. Welcome back. All right, so let's have a look at our pudding. Look at how awesome that is. Right? All right. Let's have a little taste. Mmm. Mmm. That's absolutely amazing, Sago. That's absolutely amazing, Sago. Look at that amazing tapioca pudding. Holy crap. Let's have one more bite. Oh my gosh. That truly tasted like heaven on earth. And that's it. Thank you for coming today. Let's have a view of the pudding, shall we? This is Cooking with Heather, signing off.